Welcome to video number 3 of the Introduction to Distance Learning series. The topic is online hybrid education. My name is Nancy Wolf. I'm a graduate student in the Masters of Nursing program at California State University, San Bernardino. The MSN program at CSUSB is online hybrid education. The goal of this video is to provide support for students to transition from traditional to distance education. At the completion of this learning module, the learner will be able to define online hybrid education, describe methods of communication for the online learning environment, develop a strategy for a successful online educational experience, and demonstrate Blackboard log-on method. Online hybrid education includes traditional classroom instruction. For example, each quarter includes 3 face-to-face classroom meetings. Online learning activities include assignments to engage the learner with case studies, self-tests, tutorials, and online group projects. Asynchronous communication occurs over extended periods. This is a flexible and reflective method of communication. Examples of asynchronous tools used for online education include discussion boards, emails, announcements, messages, journals, blogs, and wikis. Synchronous communication occurs in real time. Tools used for synchronous communication include chat rooms, web-based conferencing via Skype, phone calls, and face-to-face meetings. Instructors will have established office hours to communicate using any of these methods. Teachers of online courses will provide an orientation to the course, use a variety of teaching strategies, focus on learner-centered activities, create a supportive learning environment, keep frequent contact with students, and provide prompt feedback. Blackboard tracking statistics allow instructors to monitor students' online course activity. This tracking enables instructors to follow up with students who are baffled with the online learning environment. Are you in shape for the online learning experience? Effective learners are self-directed, self-aware, curious, risk-takers, and open-minded. The abilities to use a laptop, printer, software, and the Internet are essential. Technical skills include the ability to cut and paste from one document to another, format course documents, create and manage folders, and use a web browser efficiently. And of course, we all need to be familiar with online etiquette. Key to student success includes the establishment of goals and SMART objectives. Schedule set study times. Log on to the course at least 3 times a week. Check your email daily. Read all assignments. Complete the activities on time. Always ask questions when in doubt. Self-awareness regarding one's personal learning styles and the different ways of learning are beneficial for the student's achievement. A must for every student is an experience with OLLI, the online library instructional tutorial at CSUSB. I recommend that you take a field trip to these websites to test your online knowledge about etiquette online, listen to a song called Don't Press Send to avoid making a blunder using email, find out more about Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence with a quick video on YouTube, and as mentioned earlier, OLLI, the online library instructional tutorial, is a very important part of a student success plan. You log on to Blackboard from the main menu of the Cal State University San Bernardino website. Log on to Blackboard using your student ID number and password. Blackboard Help, available on the CSUSB website, provides student resources such as Blackboard tutorials and a student manual. Each course has a home page. For ease of navigation, a course menu appears on the left side of the course window. Users select a link to access the course content, such as syllabus, course documents, external links, and discussion boards. The main discussion board displays a list of forums to organize discussions relevant to the topic of study. In the discussion board, a forum contains threads. A thread includes the initial post and all replies to the posting by the other students. Let me show you how simple this is. I will demonstrate how to log on to the Blackboard, and I'll post in a discussion board. First, search for csusb.edu. Click to open the link. From the main college menu site, click on Blackboard. Log on with your student ID number and password. This will open up your home page, which lists all the courses you are enrolled in. The student's home page organizes the online courses, tasks, announcements, and calendar, and provides access to tools including addresses, emails, and grades. For this demonstration, our discussion board posting directions include the following. The purpose of the discussion board assignment is to introduce you to other members of the class. Please create a thread with your name as the subject. The posting should include your academic interests, contact information, and anything else you want to share with the group. So in the subject area, I will put my name and the topic. This is Nancy's introduction. You can compose right on the screen or in Word and then copy and paste. This is called creating a thread. The introduction is an icebreaker to the class. Your weekly discussion board postings will include scholarly references. You will have the ability to edit and do a spell check before submitting the posting. Something important to keep in mind, because of the way the new Blackboard tries to allow large numbers of users to access at one time, if you're not active in the class, pressing buttons and moving around for 20 minutes, you will get an error message saying the system's not available. The best solution for that is to log out and log back in. Many people read faster online. People like me who are slow readers can be reading postings online and easily hit the 20-minute mark. This is not Blackboard breaking down. It's just a little quirk in the system. Other students in the class will be able to reply to your postings on discussion board. So let's take a look at a live course. Each course has a home menu. For ease of navigation, a course menu appears on the left side of the course window. Users select a link to access the course content, such as the syllabus, course documents, external links, and discussion boards. Open and save these documents on your computer to use offline. Back up your files and course documents. Remember to prepare for the what-ifs. There may be times when Blackboard is not available due to technical difficulty for a number of reasons: inclement weather, natural disaster such as a fire, and down phone lines. Before leaving the college website, let's go to the library. Here's the link for the OLLI tutorial. I highly recommend this tutorial. There are plenty of resources here which will help you in all of your courses of study. Here is a list of my references.